Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to FitFlow, your ultimate destination for health, wellness, and everything in between. Today, we have an incredible video lined up for you, a comprehensive beginner's guide to yoga, the perfect way to enhance flexibility and reduce stress. So, grab your mats, find a quiet space, and let's embark on this transformative yoga journey together. Yoga has been practiced for centuries, and for good reason. It offers a multitude of benefits for both the body and the mind. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to deepen your practice, this beginner's guide will take you step by step through foundational poses, breathing techniques, and mindfulness practices. Get ready to dive in and discover the amazing world of yoga. The first step in your yoga journey is finding a comfortable space to practice. It could be your living room, a park, or even a dedicated yoga studio. Create an environment that nurtures your mind and body, free from distractions and filled with positive energy. Now that you're in your sacred space, let's begin with some warm-up exercises to awaken your body and prepare it for the practice ahead. Start with gentle neck rolls, shoulder rolls, and wrist stretches. These simple movements help release tension and increase blood flow, setting the stage for a fulfilling yoga session. Now, let's dive into the foundational yoga poses that will form the building blocks of your practice. We'll start with the mountain pose, a grounding posture that improves posture and body awareness. From there, we'll move into the downward dog, a full body stretch that targets the back, shoulders, and hamstrings. Remember, it's okay to modify these poses to suit your comfort level. As a beginner, it's crucial to listen to your body and honor its limits. Flexibility takes time and patience, so don't push yourself too hard. We'll now explore seated poses like the easy pose and the seated forward bend, which gently stretch the hips, lower back, and hamstrings. Remember to focus on your breath and find your edge in each pose. Yoga is not just about the physical practice, it's also about cultivating mindfulness and reducing stress. Let's take a moment to explore different breathing techniques that can help you find calmness and focus. We'll start with the deep belly breathing technique, which brings awareness to your breath and helps release tension. Then, we'll move into the three-part breath, a powerful technique for calming the mind and centering yourself. Now, let's dive into the world of meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes and gently bring your attention to your breath. Inhale serenity, exhale any thoughts or worries. Allow your mind to settle and be present in the moment. Feel the stillness and let go of any stress that may be weighing you down. Congratulations on completing our beginner's guide to yoga. You've taken the first step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key in your yoga practice. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to explore different poses, sequences, and meditation practices. Thank you for joining us today on FitFlow. We hope this comprehensive beginner's guide to yoga has ignited a newfound passion within you. Remember, yoga is not just about flexibility and stress reduction, it's a holistic journey of self-discovery and self-care. So, keep flowing, stay motivated, and embrace the transformative power of yoga.